Jamaicans.
Like this?
No, I like this.
I like the traffic.
Jaja, all the traffic. We depend the bypass and a beer traffic. And me and Paul there a roll. Insufficient credit.
No, it's alright.
Yeah, so we're there upon the bypass and Paul carry me.
Go last him.
Yeah, go last me. Cha God. Yo,
brother.
Hey, you might carry me go one spot go get one porridge. Cause me I say right now, hungry a box me buduf buff right now. Wicked. I tell you say, to where the hungry girt me up a while ago, man. Only the Lord he knows. So right now, he might carry me go get one porridge right now.
But I can't last him in a Spanish town here.
Yeah.
From my place.
All right.
I told now I'm going to one little hole.
Jaja God. You see it?
Missed the route a long time, I travel away there. You understand?
Yeah.
But in a Spanish town, I'm not last him here. You're not afraid.
Alright. It's a good answer over there, so. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, traffic in Spanish Town today. Traffic rough. Right now. Peanut porridge, me don't want.
No, correct, every man, Africa.
So them have saltfish fritters, banana.
Yeah, banana sometimes, but another way.
Mostly saltfish. Well, that's not bad.
No,
Hey, look on the line over there so I know if you can't see I'm go around. But yo, so hold on, is the next line that or it's coming in my way pan? Yo, if you join the line there, say you go draw money a night before you done this so.
Yes, I'm not talking about low.
Yeah.
Morning early.
Yeah.
Everybody say I come early because nobody never do that. But I same thing everybody
I do right now.
You see?
Yeah. We're there in our Oasis Plaza right you know. And we say what do you think we're going to do, Paul? We're going to go in our porridge man see him and say if we see him?
No, it don't make sense because we're going to see him. So we just deal with that.
Yeah.
You understand?
Alright. Alright, so now get the porridge man. So we are going to go run a juicy beef. Probably all this a patty me end up by, you know. Lord he knows. If in the full, me I take with myself and go try to see if we can get it from the man around there so. Look on this length of traffic people you know you can't go draw no money for yourself. Can't watch out. Clothes and skirt. Yo, the serious. So we have got juicy beef. There it is right there. The part bad though. Alright people, come like everywhere we go full. Everywhere. Cause look in this and look like it. In a full. Oh, I'm good to go then, alright. How the road your name, Paul? King Street this? Oh. Whenever come down on the road there, I can't remember, I can't recall. You know so?
Yeah.
And bus park this?
One more bus park.
Oh yeah. Oh. Go the right across on the prison. That's what I say. Yeah, so Paul say, I'm going to deal with it for me. And thing, we get a peanut, porridge and a fritters. So, yeah. So, let me see what I go on him forward. Alright, this it look good man. What this?
Peanut.
Banana fritters this.
No.
Look like banana.
I want a banana because I don't eat.
Lord have mercy, I banana with what, you know?
Jaja no?
Yeah.
You never tell my man.
That Paul said he live at Portland, grew up at Portland for years and never got bust until what day. I can't believe that. And living at St. Catherine for years now. I never yet got Caymanas River. Jaja go. Stop light now work. Stop light now. Stop light now work. People, look at the beautiful mountains, man, up there. And the lush greenery all over. You see that? On the mountains, up there. Wow. Alright now, we're upon the road leading to KamRaze River. Make the girls them shiver. You see what I say? Yeah, nice place, nice black. You see what I say? We're going to christen Paul now today. You know? Yeah, we're going to baptize him. Yeah, because you don't know the things that in our we say water, you know. Anyway, water they will find it, you know. Anyway, river there, the beach, we find it, you know. Could have way up in the mountains. You see what I say? Could have way down in a bush. You see it? You see the prey? What you have to say to the people them, Pa? What you say about your experience around here now?
I say, yo, I don't reach there yet.
You reach there yet?
No.
Alright, so yeah, keep you.
Keep my mind open.
Alright. So catch up on the journey, you heard me? Yeah man, so we are at the spot here now, KamRaze River. See it in the background there. At our entrance. I see it there. Yeah man. Entrance, this you know. Yeah man, so they are the great KamRaze, aka Paradise, Nature's Paradise, you know. Yeah, man. I come at that place here from me, a little boy. You see it. Actually, I'm a first river this may ever go. From, I can't know myself, first river. I have the amount of experience I have with the river. That is it. You know? Place this, you know? So, you see it, people, I tell you, know, say, you might go love the place, you know. You see it, you know, long him gone in there and know him can't come out yet. They have to show you, say, yo, tell him, you know, tell him, say, I go want to stay over here and feel like a joke me I make, you know. But when him come, I go hear from him. Because, I tell you, it's a nice black. The place clean, the water crystal clear and nice. Only thing, sometimes the water can get very cold, but that's something where people can deal with and work with. You see what I say? Yeah, but overall, the place nice, and them have all type of food, all type of things where you need. You understand what I say? Yeah man, so you can get your box food, you can get jerk chicken, you can get fish, fried fish, steamed fish, escovitch fish. You can get your fry festival, you can get your juice, you can get all type of things man sell ya man. You get me I say? And you don't know you can get your callaloo over here too. You see what I say? Yeah. So it's a nice vibes, you know? And music always a play. You see what I say? You don't have to worry about nothing. You see what I say? When you come here so, you don't have to worry. Trust me. Yeah man. You see it, and the fee for going for adult, 5 bills, and 2 bills for kids, for children. So it's reasonable, it's worth it man, trust me, worth it. Just forward man. KamRaze River, Nature's Paradise. You see what I say? Yeah. You know? Tranquility, see the tranquility in the heart of the city. You see it. But in a nature with there, not really city with there, in a nature, but you get it, yeah, you see it. So stay tuned. Yeah, see where I come? Yo, what sweet him in there so? Me say, you don't like the boss in there? Me have to wonder for the water sweetie or something else. I tell you, I go love in there. I tell you though. We have to go circle back over there.
So going at that there, I make a complexion change.
Yeah, I tell you, nice.
I tell you. It was just cool, man. It's a hot cast. I'm going to go cool over there.
We can circle back, man. We can circle back. We go deal with the man there and circle back. What do you think? I want to go in there now. We're not on a cruise. Kuja and Crow. Now the sky, I don't know if you can see them, but watch it. Kuja and Crow. Alright, now we are past Riverton. So I don't know if it's something them see over there. But no, what I up on the front them there, so I probably something up on the front door. Oh, something in a gully. In a gully. Yeah, in a gully. There, enough. See gully, yeah? Gully there. Sandy gully that. Oh, see enough of them there, see enough of them land there. Yeah. A sandy gully that in a people. Yeah, we just passed Sandy Gully a while ago.
Something dead over there.
I was there on Spanish Town Road. Yeah, something dead over there, man. Why? Every bank we go, every ATM we go, full. Everywhere we turn. A mountain. Today I do much. Yeah. Most people get paid today or yesterday. Yeah, so that's why the place full, so. But that's how you go, people have to get them money, you know? Yeah, man, so you have to do what you have to do. So we're checking out right now. We are go up in a new Kingston side. Go do that local program. So I catch them time there, you see it? Or whatever your name. So we're up in a new Kingston, you know. Don't know, see the mountain there. Up there, so where the rich them live. Hey, Paul?
Chilean here, then.
Chilean here. We have to go get piece of land up there, you know. So here what? We have to go get rich. We have to go get rich.
Very long.
Blouse and skirt, yes sir. When the man say Belululum, we have to go look on our Belululum, bring same star, Jaja God. Yeah.
Buy a piece of them land.
Jaja God. Or you can call them, you know, me think say them have one service, so you can call them and them drop off money, you know. Like your order son. Yeah, you tell them say you want 6 yard of cash.
If you call them now,
yeah, you give them 100 grand and you get 100 million. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, so. Oh, where them whole picture you come from? Them never there, so Paul.
Where?
See me? Whole picture on the fence. Oh, 11:45? Not bad. But them picture is like a story thing. So tell a story, the plan. Plan E make. Plan E make.
Some cartoon thing.
Yeah, animation. What is this? Like a story. Say me can read one of them. What dream that you commit, then you are entitled to bail. No saying entitled to no bail, sir. Whether that the judge has say, have a good day. You sure bail, the criminal will get the bail. And him say, you have to do something about this to the public and the justice minister. And then next you see police and Ray and the judge have a clown face and walk on here, so. Lord of mercy. Police in a shootout. Wagwan. Man a chop bush. Pinocchio bring bills. Lord of mercy. Rotted. Watch you go to go book off somebody there, so. Jaja. Over there.
Come back.
Everywhere Paul go and left him phone them. Everywhere Paul go and left him phone them. I have to go carry go give him. You know what I say? Paul left him phone him on the car. And a member and car drive. And somebody stop here and say, hey, look there. When we look, the phone up on the top of the two phone up on the top of the car. Cha God, hey, Paul Ramp, you know. I can't give me no still.